Hey folks, Adam here, showing off my kayak from Intex. This is a two-person kayak, and me and Amy from Shopping with Amy absolutely love this thing. It's fantastic. We can take turns paddling, one after the other. In this video, I'm taking it out for a spin and showing it off on my lake behind the house. I do like that this thing is easy to inflate, and I've had it for over a year now, and I've never had any issues with puncture or anything like that. This thing gives a smooth ride. It's ultra lightweight, and it's absolutely my favorite two-person kayak, and it's just so fun. It's great exercise, but it doesn't even feel like you're getting exercise. You're just out and about. If you're going downstream, you can just coast downstream, have a soda, eat some chips, and enjoy yourself, or you can really push it, get some great time, two people kayaking, going real fast. It's absolutely awesome. So it does have inflatable seats, as you can see in the inflatable seats. They are removable. Amy uses hers because she's a little bit shorter than I am. She's about 5'2". I take the inflatable seat out to give me a little extra space because I'm about 6'3", and we can both fit in here with a combined weight of over 350 pounds without any issues at all. This is a sturdy, strong, and super awesome kayak. I did like that it's easy to inflate, and it's big enough to where you're not bumping oars with each other. I can sit in the back, I have plenty of room for my feet, and we can motor around the lake and just have a great time. It's super fun to explore, to get to see nature. Living in Florida, I didn't always get the opportunity to see the great aspects of our natural environment. So if you don't get out enough, if you're not seeing the lakes and tributaries and all the cool stuff that there is out there, this is a great, great product, and I think you're really going to dig it. Again, Intex makes the best kayaks and inflatables on the planet, and this is a great investment in your future, in your health, and in your fun.